Hi, I'm Karrie Brazaski with Redwood Executive Consulting, and I just finished up this fabulous workshop with Kelly O'Neill, the positioning workshop, where you literally nail your message. And I cannot say enough good things about Kelly, her team. I came in here with a level of frustration, not in anything that was, well, I just came in with frustration and confusion, and I got so aligned with my message, with what my future goal of my business is, and I came out with a new name. I came out with such clarity, and this is probably the best investment I've ever made in myself as well as my business. And well, I will say, other than PBI, that's fabulous too. But this really, in 3 days, you actually sit down, go methodically through those painstaking things in our business that some of us, most of us, really just don't want to do. But Kelly walks you through it. I won't say it's easy, but she has a process to get you from A to Z in 3 days. And so it's pretty amazing. While it's not camera ready and ready for print, I have the blueprint of what I need to do to be able to excel and leapfrog into the business that I want for me. And I will say the other thing is that Kelly, I came in at this level and I'm walking out at this level. And I made the comment to my husband that Kelly has a vision for you that's bigger than yourself, but that you secretly want it. So she's kind of like opening up what's inside of you so that you really can do and believe you can do it. So next time, get in here and do your own positioning workshop so you can walk away just fabulous and fearless.